Hi, chat. Let me just finish setting up. Close the door. Turn on recording light. Right, we're ready. It's that one. That. Oh. I did mean to write down my hotkeys because I keep forgetting them. They're all new. So. I haven't opened Minecraft yet. That's my bad. We don't need Minecraft at the moment though, do we? Okay. So if you're new here, for the past few days, I've been coding in all the new, let me restart that. For the... Give it a second, there we go. The Minecraft feedback page is an amazing place. Anyone can suggest anything, and there's a small chance it might get into the game. Like, we've got goats, we've got, what else? Frogs were added, mangroves, stuff like that. All of those were suggested on the feedback page. Or Mojang were gonna add them anyway and just said, oh hey look, yeah, we're listening to you. Because there's a lot on here, and most of them are horrible. Recently, I've done the Totem of Dying, which looks exactly like the Totem of Undying, except it kills you. I've done... what was the other ones? A Ravager recipe, where you can just chuck a cow into a really expensive structure, give it an iron ingot, and it turns into a Ravager. Don't know why you'd ever want that. I've done a dupe stream, a duping tree, where you just put blocks on it and it makes more blocks. And now we're on to the really bad stuff, like terrible. You might have seen it if you clicked on the thumbnail. I can't find it at the moment. Here it is. Add a chicken dance song for a disc in Minecraft. And all they say is recommend you add a chicken dance as an in-game disc, and having the Minecraft chickens dance when they hear the song played. And I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this. Like, so the new update of Minecraft does let you add custom discs, like without overwriting old ones. That's a new thing. So they just want a disc. It has to play a song, I guess, a custom song. I'm not sure how custom I'm gonna make it. I'm not really a musician. Like, I do have FL Studio, that is a possibility that I could do. But we're probably not going to go for that. I might just find a thing off Google. It depends how easy it is to make the chickens dance, because we're gonna do that bit first. So when the disc goes into a jukebox, that's a jukebox. When it goes in, plays a song. Like how a jukebox works. And then a chicken around it. That's a good chicken. I messed it up at the end. Whatever. Goes around it, and it starts dancing. Now they're probably thinking of dancing like how a parrot dances. Like, you can see in my starting screen, that's not actually how a parrot dances. I just had to custom code that in myself. Like custom animate that myself. That one. Like, I can't individually move a wing or like make it go like. I can't do that for chicken. Like, the stuff there just isn't there. What I can do for chicken, we might have to be a little more loose with what counts as dancing. But what would be really easy to do is have the chicken. Does this count as dancing? I think I could do this. If this counts as dancing, I'm not sure. I don't think anyone's watching. I hope no one's watching after that. But I'm not sure what really counts as a dance. But everything else I might be able to do. Like, this is probably the worst one yet. Like, both concept-wise and what I'm going to be able to do with it. Probably not a great one to start the stream on, to be honest. I'll just get my chair back. So, either I have it spin around, or I could have it like jump up and down. I could theoretically just move its head. Like, that would shrink it, I can't do that. But I could like make it look different directions, which is something I can't do on paint. I can't rotate. I don't think I can rotate. No. But for now, I'm just going to experiment a bit with chickens. See what I can make them do that might look like a dance. I don't have a data pack yet. What am I doing? Close that. Let's change that text to say make chickens dance to... I'm gonna run out of room here. Music. Oh, no, it made it. Great. Make chickens dance to music. And my... What's that? Oh, it's chat. Oh, right, I haven't synced up my chat on the visuals. Hang on. Live. That one. I need to actually go into the thing. Give myself a view. And... pop out chat. I'm not liking how that's stuck on a screen there, but it's not on my OBS preview, so I think we're fine. There we go. I don't know if that worked, but it's not a big black thing now. Either way, I can see the chat this time. Yesterday I couldn't see the chat apart from in the OBS preview. I can see it now. So it's not too big a deal. So chicken. This is actually going to be a lot harder than the other one. Where's my paint capture? No, I don't normally have it on that screen, do I? Never mind. Okay. So I'm just going to give myself a command block. And summon a chicken. Actually, I should show what I'm doing first. So I'm thinking, I don't know if a spin around counts as a dance. Like, I'm not sure if there's rules to this stuff. But I'm thinking if I can just get away with, like, spinning it around, that should be fairly simple, because I've just got rotation. Like, say that's rotated like 90 degrees. I can just take away one every tick. And then eventually, it, which just means it's spinning around. Like, I'm probably going to need to add more to this, because I don't think this should count as a dance. In theory, I could do facing rotation, which, actually, that's just the other rotation. Like, this is rotation X, which makes it go around like this. Need to stop doing that. And then the other rotation is Y, which just changes the way it's looking, so like that. So in theory, I could just change both of those, and it might look like it's dancing. I hope it looks like it's dancing, because I don't really have another idea. Execute at E, type equals chicken. At S. I think I need to store it in a scoreboard first. / scoreboard players set. Nope. Objectives add chicken rotation. Dummy. And then every tick, I'm gonna store that rotation into this scoreboard. As at E, type equals chicken. At S, run. Nope, store. Result, score. At S, chicken rotation. Then, just data get entity at S. Rotation 0. Scoreboard objective set display sidebar with chicken rotation. Great, I think that works. I don't like how it's not moving, but I think that's just because all the high up ones have like despawned or something. Not sure they've already despawned. But yeah, you can see it moving slightly. So, I'm gonna go back to this. So we got the chicken. We got the chicken's main rotation at the moment. That's a chicken. We got the rotation. And now, at the moment we've got what the rotation is currently. So that's the current rotation. We want to add one to it in a scoreboard, and then we need to put that answer back into the chicken. And to do that, because at the moment all this does is like store that rotation, the current. I can't edit that command at the moment, that score, and have it change the chicken. So I need to do scoreboard. Well, first I need to do scoreboard add at a type equals chicken rotation 1. As you can see, that's not doing a lot over there. Mostly because I think those chickens are dead. Oh, you can't see actually. There we go. As you can see, I've got this running every tick. It changed once and then it's not changing again. In theory, this should be changing every tick, but because this is running, and every tick it's also getting the actual rotation, and then adding one, and then not adding it back to the chicken, this one gets the original value back again. So I now need to then store it back into the chicken. And that would be execute as at e type equals chicken. So execute as the chicken. Don't really need the as actually. Store result entity at s back into the same data value I got it from, which I believe was rotation 0. Ooh. I think it's a float. It's a float or maybe a double. I don't really understand that stuff. Like anything that isn't just directly originals from Minecraft commands, I don't entirely understand. That's kind of a problem, but I'm hoping that's right. It's very simple to check if I'm not. Run its scoreboard, and then it just gets the scoreboard value, which I just changed. Scoreboard players get s itself chicken rotation. So in theory, yeah, it's all changing now. See that? Great. So now I can actually find a chicken to see what it's doing. I spawned a chicken. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I mean, it's moving a bit weirdly. Not really what I wanted. Maybe I change it by 10 instead. Or maybe I remove the AI, because I think the AI is counteracting it. No, that works. Do we count this as dancing? I'm not sure we count this as dancing. I think maybe. I want to see if I can get the wings to flap as well. Because the wings do automatically flap if it's not over air. If it is over air. If it's like not on a solid block. Oh, that was supposed to demonstrate. See? In theory, I could give... I could TP it slightly above the ground, I think. That might break everything, but... Execute as at e type equals chicken. At s run TP at s like 0.00011, and then if that's doing it every tick, I hope it should be using the wings. It is not great, but it isn't moving now. Oh, now it's moving. Okay. Get rid of... Oh my god, I forgot to click need redstone. This is why I work with data packs, not command blocks. It's still not working. Okay. Let's remove a few zeros. Still not working. What I might try and do is also... Oh, now it's actually flying. Okay. It's flying and it's not even doing the wing thing. Damn it! So that would never have worked. So I might do that, and also do it for the Y value as well. So it's not only spinning. Oh wait, I need a new scoreboard. Set display, sidebar, chicken rotation. Nope. Add chicken Y rotation. Dummy. Chickeny rotation. There we got that. That. And that. Make sure to set it back to rotation 1 instead of rotation 0. Make sure that's rotation 1, that's rotation... That doesn't matter. And that's rotation Y. Yeah, that thing. And now find the chicken, which I should really just keep trapped in a cage somewhere. I'm just gonna summon a new one. That's summon chicken. That feels worse. I'm not really sure what changing the Y value did. Make sure that actually works. Scoreboard objectives, set display, sidebar. Hey, what? Okay, that's just not stalling at all. Why isn't that stalling? Why? What? Unknown scoreboard objectives, chicken with white. You know? Oh. I never realised that scoreboards, that one, are case sensitive. I think that's new. That one. No, it's not new. I mean, new to me. Scoreboard object set display, sidebar, chicken Y rotation. Chicken Y rotation. Thanks, the scoreboard objectives add chicken Y rotation with a capital. There we go. Now, is that actually doing anything though? It's kind of doing something. It's looking in weird directions, just not weird enough directions. Let's change that to like a 50. Add 50. It's meant to go up, down, up, down, up, down. Why isn't it doing that? It's just going down. Like, can it not look up? Like, I think it is going up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just the up isn't as up as I want it. Yeah. I guess it can't. Hang on, let me check this actually. Disable, disable, disable. Disable, disable, disable. I should probably just hook it up to redstone or something. That would be easier than doing that. Okay, get seeds. How high up can it actually look? That's... How do I see this? Yeah, that's higher up than it was going before. Right? I don't think it's quite as high as I wanted it, but... Yeah, let's plug this into a lever or something. Oh. And then lever here. There we go. Let's spawn a new one. Summon chicken. Well, that didn't work. I think. Oh, is that the start or the end? Hang on. Data get, rotation 0, that's the start. So I think if I plug it in here, it'll go in the right way. Yeah. There we go. See, I don't consider that dancing. I think it looked a lot more like it was dancing when its head wasn't down. Let's see what happens if we do that. The head just looks like it's even more down. Oh, can't do that. Just I don't know, if you put like a jukebox here and then they start doing like that, I think that might be recognizable as dancing. Not very good dancing, but it's a chicken. What do you expect? Like, let me pause the music a second. Like, see, that kind of works. Like, if it wasn't dancing before, and then it starts now. Also, I've never heard this disc before. Wow. It's one of the new ones, isn't it? Sounds like something that would have been in this playlist. Although, I'll admit, I've never really listened to this playlist. Like, I made the playlist, but I stream with my headphones off, so I didn't hear that. Because once I put my headphones on, I stopped commentating. So yeah, that seems good. My problem now is I'm not actually sure how to detect if the song's playing. Like, that's another problem again. But for now, I'll put all of that code into Visual Studio, into a data pack. Probably better if I just use that view actually. Rename to what do I call this? Chicken dance. Yeah. Chicken dance. Get ready for all that. I got rid of too much. Did I get rid of too much? Let's just retry that. Control C, Control V. Rename to Chicken Dance. I hate doing this bit. Rename to Chicken Dance. Delete that. Delete that. Change all these words to Chicken Dance. Chicken Dance. without the underscore. Chicken dance. Okay. So I need to add the scoreboards. It was chicken rotation. I can't remember how I capitalized it. Oh, both capitalized. Okay. Chicken rotation, dummy, and then chicken Y rotation, dummy. Although I don't think I used that in the end. I think we're gonna stick with just chicken rotation, not have it go like that, because it doesn't do that. It goes like, and it just kind of stays there. I don't know why it does that. But for now, I'm gonna get this code, paste it in here, get this code, paste it in here, and get that code, paste it in there. Not that code, that code. So I think at the moment you can't really see it because my face cam's in the way. But I've got this in tick.mc function, which means every tick, this loads. It's like a repeating command block. That's why that there's a repeating command block here. It's cool, I just never use this screen because it's really annoying. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it a new file called dance.mc function. That way, let's do a paint for this. If the disc is in, the disc is in the jukebox, and the music's playing, it can, I'll have like an invisible entity here, like a marker or something, which, first off, detects if the music's playing. I believe I can just see if the block it's on has a music disc in it. If it's not, don't do anything. But if it is, it will send out a big message to the chickens around saying dance. And I think like I'll go for like a 10-20 block radius. I'm not actually sure how this bit works. This bit might be a bit difficult. I've never had to work with block data for a jukebox before. I might actually just quickly go around and see how that works. So, no, I need to learn these hotkeys a bit better. Last time set day. So at the moment, if I data get block that, it knows it's a jukebox, which is good. I'd be a bit worried if it didn't know that, to be honest. And then if I play a song to it, you're currently listening to 2 songs. Let's turn this off, and then get the block data. Okay. So that's good, because that just means it gets the item, that all the data of the item that's in the box, in the jukebox. And it also like counts down how long it's been as well, which is quite cool. And that's good because I need to be able to have it as a different song. Like, have it only for a specific song. So for now, I think I'll do Stall, because that's the funny one. Yep, I was right. So, music back on. We've got execute as... No. Okay. So what I'm gonna have to do to detect there's a thingy. I'm gonna have to, because you can't execute as blocks. Like, you can't just run a command block, run a command as every piece of dirt or whatever. So what I have to do is a system I made ages ago. Like, one of the first things I did is everywhere I look, there's 3 markers or 4 markers or whatever that from a data pack I made ages ago, and if any of these markers are in a jukebox, in this case, it will summon another marker that just stays in the jukebox, and then that marker can do all that. And I'm hoping that command's that whole data pack still works, because I'm gonna need to find it. I believe I did it for giant flowers. I can't remember what I actually called that data pack. It's one where you can bone meal flowers, and I called it bone flowers. Yep, that's the one. Bone flowers, bone meal flowers, whatever. I'll go to tick there, and I think I copy all of this. Find chicken dance, paste, and then change all the every instance of the word flower. I'll start with hashtag flowers with jukebox. And then every instance of flower with jukebox. And I guess F detector, FD, which stood for flower detector, now stands for JB. God damn it, JB. Jukebox detector. I actually don't want it to be an interaction though. I actually didn't think interactions were even a thing when I did it. Actually, I don't think any of this is right. That bit's not right. That should be it though, right? Well, the rest should be right, I think. Yeah. Change that back to a marker. Summon marker and tag that marker as jukebox. I'm gonna go test this out quick. Create data pack. Oh, hi. Oh, look, 2 people. I don't know if, I don't know how long you've been here. I haven't been paying attention to chat. Chicken dance, yeah. That's what we're doing right now. Yeah, so I haven't tried this yet. I'll be honest. This is like the first test. But what you can do with command blocks is kind of limiting when it comes to animation. I'm gonna say that straight up. Oh yeah, all in the data pack. Disk. So at the moment, I should. Okay, something's already gone wrong. Damn it. Chicken dance. That should work, right? Chicken rotation, dummy. Tick. Oh, I haven't made a login timer. Right. So all that does is every tick it just adds one. So as soon as I log in, it spawns a. Ooh, what was it? It spawns a looker thing. Hang on. I'm gonna need to re-explain this thing now. There you are. So, to detect when when there's a block, like for this. It's so hot in here. I swear. I've got the fan on. I've got my window open. So detect when there's a block. In front of me. I've got 4 interactions, four markers, sorry, which look at the blocks, and if any of those blocks is a jukebox, it summons a extra marker, which just functions as the jukebox, so I can execute a command as a block, which you normally can't do. That one. So you can see the little image at the top. Why is there 1 viewer right now? I don't know. To be honest, there's been more than 1 chatter, and I've kind of hidden the viewers. I'm trying not to pay attention to any of the stats. I think that makes a bit more sense. I'm surprised there's been so many chatters, to be honest. The last one had like 2 messages the whole stream. The last stream had 2 messages. So let me. I think I should just be able to get that from there. You can't see that. There you go. Delete chicken dance. Replace it with a new one. And then reload. There we go. Jukebox detector is here. Not the jukebox. It hasn't detected the jukebox yet. Once it's figured out there's a jukebox there, it should make a new marker called jukebox. And it hasn't done that yet. Meaning something's wrong. Let's get a command block. Execute as type equals marker. Add a test, run particle. Ooh. Particle. Angry villager. So now you can see where it is, and it should be right. Make hoglins tameable, rideable. You know, one day, yeah. That's kind of a good idea. Rideable would be. I'm not sure how hard that would be, actually. But yeah, one day, definitely, yeah. But why can't it detect this? I don't. Can you see if it's there? I can just game rule. Command block. Output. False. And tag list. Jukebox detector. What is your problem? Okay. Oh. Tameable is a challenge. I'll say that much. Because it's really hard to make a mob not attack you if it's always hostile. I tried that before with when I made like baby mobs. Tameable, logical. Real pigs are strong, I think. Like, I think real pigs are stronger than Minecraft pigs, definitely. Like, a cow could kill you in real life. And a pig probably could as well. But why isn't this working? Tag list. Have I errored something? If block jukebox detector at a test. If the block is a jukebox. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, so what happened there was to stop it spawning more than one block. Let's go here again. Actually, I could just build off this. To stop it spawning more than one jukebox block. So it didn't do this and this. And I have loads of jukeboxes. Where there's only one jukebox. I wrote the code execute unless, basically, if there's a marker in that area, if there's already a marker in this area, don't spawn a marker. The problem is, these things are markers, so it was just never spawning the marker where the jukebox is. So I had to specify if the jukebox marker tag equals jukebox. That was entirely my fault. But now, I hope it should work. Make sure I got the caps right. I didn't get the caps right. Alright, see ya. Bye. That's the wrong thing. Tag at a list. Jukebox, there we go. And for some reason I capitalized jukebox, but not the rest of it. Okay. Get rid of that now. So now I'll execute that one. Execute as at a tag equals jukebox detector. At a test if block jukebox. Nope, I've already detected that. It's not if as jukebox detector, it's just as the jukebox. If data block. So what I'm doing now, I just realized I need to now that we've got the jukebox in the box, let's get this thing. That's the jukebox. and this is the marker. What I need to do now is, as the marker, I need to detect if there's a disk in here. That's a disk. Disk. Is disk here? Question mark? And to do that, I guess if data block, if the current block it's on has the data value, I believe it's record items. I'm not sure about this. Let's actually get the data so it's right. That one. Data get entity. Nope, block. That one. Oh, let's play the song first. Because it needs to be a specific record as well, I think. So it should be slash. It should be record item dot ID. Actually, it's probably not going to be that when I get around to actually making a custom song. But for now, that will do. I've never done this before, actually. Matches. No, not matches. If data block, blah, blah, blah. Record item. Oh, wrong screen. Record item dot ID. That's checking if it has a thing. I don't know how to. I can't think of how to check if it's actually got the right thing. That'll do for now. Just to make sure I can get the dancing bit to work. But I need to have it as a custom disk. Run function chicken dance. Nope, just called dance. Nope, chicken dance colon dance. That's the one. That works, right? Come on. It'll probably figure it out. Boop. 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 So now, I don't think there's a chicken around, is there? No, that's someone. God's sake. Summon chicken. Oh. So I'm going to check if the chicken dance works. You said there's a thingy. Chicken dance does exist in the same data pack. Oh, you're checking functions. Yeah, that's an old system, which my thing hasn't checked yet, updated. So what I'm gonna do, actually, that's what for God's sake. I'm gonna add a say to the dance. So if this function works, my chat will be spawned with the letter A. Okay. So it's not finding the function, but I know it has the function because it's there. But it's just meant to play every tick if there's a thing there, and it's not doing that. And I'm not sure if you're just lying to me. Either that or if data block record item ID is wrong. / execute at e tag equals jukebox. Run data get block tilde. Okay, I might have capitalizing that wrong. Record item, no, that's right. .id. Could it possibly be that's a lot more errors. Oh, hang on, no, it's slowly realizing it's right. Which is good, because I want it to be right. Minecraft. Music disc. Dull. I'm not gonna make it dull in the end. I'm gonna actually find an actual chicken dance song somehow. I'm not sure I'm gonna do that yet, but right now reload. Where's the chicken? There's the chicken. I don't need to see the chicken at the moment, because it should just spam the channel with A when it works, which means it's not working. Unknown key record item. Oh, for God's sake. I just keep on this screen, because this screen does everything. Record item ID Minecraft music disc style. My music's not playing, is it? No, it's not. There we go. I don't know when I stop that. My headphones are here playing music. I can't actually hear it because when I listen to music, I don't commentate. If data block, is it something then record item maybe? I don't think so. Oh. So I just don't think that's how this command works. Let's go Google this, because I'm stumped. If data block. Execute if. Execute if data. What does this mean? It's position, path, execute. Yeah, okay. I think it's the path I'm having a problem with. Yeah, it checks if it has any data tag. I want a specific data tag, which I guess is a lot harder. What I could do, this might be a bit of a dodgy one, But what I could do is get the disk name, and put it in the marker's tags. And then execute as anything with the tag with the tag stall at the moment, and then run the function like that. I'm not sure that will work, but it's the best idea I've got. So it should be store result entity at S wait for it a bit. Tags. You want something else here, don't you? Actually, can only work with numbers. I've done this before. Oh, store success. No result. Yeah, results right. Store result entity at S tags. 1. Oh wait, no. I'm trying not to go back and look at that code because I have done this once before and it's worked. I want us to figure out if I can do it without looking back at that. Run data get block was it data block get? Record items dot ID. I think every tick I'll need to reset the tags and give it the tag back. Give it the jukebox tag back if I do it like this. Which isn't great. I don't really like the idea of doing that. Chicken dance, chicken dance. Tag ATI list. Okay. Let's run the. I forgot to change that scene again. It's jukebox capitalized. For God's sake, is that why it hasn't been working? No. Reload. Slash tag ATI list. Okay, that's not why it hasn't been working. Great. I'm actually kind of happy that's not why it's working, because I'd have been mad if that was that way it wasn't working. Although I'm actually gonna quickly restore the old code, which is that, and add a capital to jukebox, just to make sure it definitely wasn't why that wasn't working. And then nope, okay. I'm gonna start removing parameters. Actually there's only one bit that could be the problem. As long as the tag's right still. Yeah. There should be 3 markers. Whatever. Okay, that bit works. .id. Yeah, so that means it can definitely detect if something's in there. I'm just not sure how to detect what's in there. Because in theory I could just make it a custom disk and just test that it's custom. That would work with any custom disk, but I think that's the best we're gonna get. Also, wait, hang on. Yeah. Okay, so this view doesn't have game audio. This view does. Yeah. Okay. Whoops. I'm getting loads of stuff from my inventory now. Let's clear that. Clear. There we go. That's a bad typo. So in theory, I could give the disk a custom model. Let's paint this. If I get the chicken dance disc, so a chicken on it, so it's a chicken dance disc. That's chicken. Yeah. Give it custom model data. And then as the marker, because I can't detect what, because for whatever reason I can't detect like what the song is. I could just detect that there's a song in there, but I can detect if it has custom model data. So that would obviously apply for any custom disk with a custom model. But if I check if it has custom model data, CMD is a very inconvenient abbreviation for that, because that could just mean command. But for now that works. If it does, then it runs the function. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. That word says function. So, that one. Slash give get to ask disk. I'll keep with stall. 1 and give it custom. I could just go, oh my god, I forgot it's that one. Custom model data. What's the problem here? Equals 1. Equals 1. Equals 1. 1. Oh wait, this isn't model data, this is just data. Model data. I don't know how custom data works. There we go. Equals 1. then put it in here, and change this to say if record item ID, not ID, don't do ID, do custom model data. And in theory that should work. Maybe. I'm just going to test it here. Execute as at E tag equals jukebox with the capital at S if block. Keep forgetting that. That's a really bad thing to forget. If it's no, if data block has custom model data. No, it's record items. So that's the disk has custom model data. Run say nope, okay. Record item dot custom model data. Is it all yeah, it's all lowercase. Oh wait, it's not a colon though, it's a dot. God's sake. Time set day. I should probably just turn off the daylight cycle. So data get entity block that. Oh, components. I forgot that one. So it's record item singular dot components plural dot custom I could just check if I was components actually. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Still not sure why there's more than one. That's not meant to be more than one. But if that works. Yeah, okay. I've added that to the code. That should be it. Yep. Great. Data packs off, chicken dance. Reload. Yep, there we go. Now I've changed the say command. Oh wait, no. Remove the say command from here. But actually first find a chicken. That makes a bit more sense, I think. Find a chicken. See if it's done. I took out the disk. God damn it. And yeah, it's dancing. That's dance. So all that does is instead of checking for custom model data, it checks for components, which just means if there's anything unusual with the disk, it's a component. Like, you can't get it in vanilla Minecraft. I'm also going to need to add a way to get the disk, aren't I? Yeah, that's a big problem. And I've also stopped the music again. Well, maybe it's a good thing that the music's not going, because it's not actually letting me record the stream. That's a problem I only found like a minute before starting the stream. I think if you go back to the starting stream screen, you could probably hear error sounds from Windows, because like it's not letting me stream it record. And this is gonna make a actual video eventually. So I'm gonna need to like download the stream. Well, for now it works. I do want to add a radius, because at the moment if I go all the way over here where you can't hear the music and summon a chicken, it still spins. Now it just feels like it's listening to Spotify music. But if I can find where that jukebox was again, there it is. Now, if you've been listening to this the whole time, I see why I paused the music now. So I think, at what point do you stop hearing the music? I reckon here I stop dancing, or maybe just like how many blocks is it to like here? Because that feels reasonable. That's minus 55 to that's 10 blocks, yeah. So I'm gonna rewrite the original code to do the function to as all the chickens within a 10 block radius, as at a type equals chicken, distance equals 10, run function chicken dance, and then back in chicken dance, I'm gonna remove all the execute as at a type equals chicken, because that way it won't be every chicken in the world. It will just be the chickens nearby the jukebox. These are a lot harder than yesterday's, I'll say that much. Because I'm not done yet. I'm not done with the first one yet. And I have another one after this I want to do. Chicken. Oh, I'm on the wrong... God damn it. There we go. I'm gonna get the hang of this eventually. So if I slowly walk you away from the thing, I can see he's trying to turn. And now he's not, because he's 10 blocks away. Great. Okay. So after this, I want to add a custom. I want to add a custom disk to a loot table, to the general disk loot table, which is all Java stuff. I hate working with Java stuff. I literally only know my Minecraft commands. That's why I do it all in data packs, not for the flex or anything. Well, also for the flex and stuff, but mostly because I don't know Java. So I think I just want it. You can get it the same way you get any others. So creeper. That's not a good design. Why did you do that? Why did you do that, Mojang? That's a creeper. It looks something like that. And I just want, when they die, instead of giving a normal disc, that's a skeleton. it gives custom disc. And I'm hoping that's a thing you can do. Oh, so I still haven't figured out even what am I thinking of? I haven't figured out what song I want to use for the thing, because if I'm gonna make a resource pack with it, I'm not sure if I am, because Chicken Dance could mean anything. I don't think there's a song called Chicken Dance. I haven't looked that up. But it would probably be copyrighted if there was a song called Chicken Dance. So we're not going to be using a song called Chicken Dance. Oh. I think we might just stick with Stall. What was I looking for? Yeah, it's, I believe, Minecraft loot tables. Loot underscore table singular. It's a folder. I don't know why I designed this scene like this. It's so, like, it hides all the important stuff. And just gives you the text. So I'll go back to this scene where you can see a bit more. And I'm gonna need to look through the files of actual Minecraft, which is this one, and figure out what the actual location of the disk loot table is. Which should be loot table. Well, I've already messed up somewhere. It's not loot table. Oh no, there it is, loot table. Is that in the right place? Minecraft loot table, yeah. I just missed it. Loot table, I believe it's gameplay. Nope, okay. Entities. Is it just generally in Creeper? It might just be in Creeper. Okay, so we don't edit the Creeper values. We go into tags. Item. Creeper drops music disc. Yeah. So this defines every music disc that can be dropped by a creeper. It's creeper drops music disc. Got Jason. And I'm hoping worst case scenario I can just, no, I can't do that. Never mind. Minecraft music disc style. Brackets. Nope, okay. How do I add components to a loot table? Add component items to loot table. Worst case scenario, I can add a recipe book to it, and when the recipe book drops, immediately replace it. What's this saying? This is what you did. Okay, that's The problem is this is running through a tag rather than a loot table. So what I'm going to do is have it as a recipe book, because no one ever uses recipe books. Like, you physically can't get one in survival. I could do a structure void or stuff, something like that. And then, but for now I'm doing a recipe book. Execute as at E. So, hang on, let me illustrate what I'm doing quick, because this is a bit confusing. So when a creeper gets shot by an arrow and dies and drops a music disc, I added a recipe book to that thing, so instead of a music disc, it has a chance of dropping a recipe book. Now, why does it drop a recipe book? That's a horrible drawing. That's a sandwich. But recipe. But the reason it drops a recipe book is they're not in main Minecraft, and it's basically a stand-in for whatever custom block you want. So, the first tick that recipe book exists, the recipe book spawns the custom disk with custom model data, which is what we're checking for the thing. And then the second tick that the recipe book exists, the recipe book dies. So the recipe book is just a vessel to add components into stuff where you can't normally add components. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but it's the best explanation I've got. So, as the recipe book, no, it's as type equals item. I believe it's NBT equals item. Is that alright? No, that's right. NBT equals item ID Minecraft recipe book. I might get rid of the NBT, I'm not sure that bit's actually in there. Let's just quickly test that out. / give, yeah, so ask recipe book. What? Am I stupid? Is there no such thing as a recipe book? What? What's it called? This thing. What's that called? Give Yatsvask recipe book. Knowledge book, that's the one. Change that to knowledge book. Change this one to knowledge book, and I'm very disappointed that that didn't tell me off. Okay. So now, this one, item ID knowledge book. I'm just gonna have that as say because you really think that's wrong. And I don't like that unknown option item. So add the NBT bit back. Yeah, it was the NBT. And then close that off there. Yep, there we go. Now I'm gonna add a spawn timer. A scoreboard named spawn timer, which every tick it goes up. I realized I just did that for the login timer, but I've got like a universal system where login timers only for players and spawn timers for all entities. Spawn timer 1. Is that right? I think that's right. At E. Yeah, I knew I was missing something. So that just means it runs all entities. If score at S spawn timer matches 1, runs summon disk disk. Oh, it's not even called disk, is it? Music disc. No. What are they called? Music underscore disc underscore style. I can't remember if the tags go before or after. Well, it seems like them there. It's custom model. No, it's components. Wait, no, it's not. It's square brackets. Custom underscore model underscore data equals 1. That should be right. Let's update the data pack. Make sure the spawn timer works. Spawn timer doesn't work. Okay, great. Why isn't spawn timer working? I've done that so many times. How is that wrong? Slash function. That's why. Something's completely gone wrong. Somewhere in here. It doesn't recognize music disc style, that's why. Yeah, that makes sense. The entity is called an item, not a music disc style. ID equals music disc style. Components. That doesn't look right. I'm gonna do this straight through Minecraft. Slash summon item. Oh, you're not gonna give me a hint, really? Item equals ID equal Minecraft music disc style. I think I used the wrong brackets there. No, something else is wrong. I think it's ID lowercase. But what do you mean you're expecting that? You're not. You shouldn't be. Oh. Let's just get the entity data of that first. Slash data get entity at e type equals item sort equals nearest limit 1. Okay. So it should be summon item with a capital equals brackets count equals 1. ID is okay, there were no brackets whatsoever. I should have just done this. What am I doing? Because that's got all the information I need. Summon item. Let's set time day. Quick. Slash time set day. Because I don't like it being dark. Summon item. It should be item. Components. Minecraft custom model data equals 1. Go down a bracket. Count equals 1. ID is music underscore disc underscore style. That should work. There we go. And copy and paste that into this one. I really need to write down these hotkeys. And then that should work. If I press the right hotkey to let you see what I'm doing. Reload. Throw it out. Ooh. Okay, it didn't work. Because spawn timer's not working. Why isn't spawn timer working? I literally just didn't finish the command. Okay. I just had it as spawn timer instead of spawn timer add 1. There we go. Yep, I also meant to kill it off afterwards. So then if spawn timer matches 2, that one, then kill at S. There we go. Now, oh, that worked. Great. And just to clarify, if I find that jukebox again, or just make a new jukebox right next to the chickens that are already here. Board objective, set display sidebar off. They dance. Not dancing. Oh wait, let's look at it a bit more. Yeah, now they're dancing. Great. I just needed to have a bit more of a look at the thing, so it actually knew there was a jukebox there. It's a bit slow. I might up the speed. Which would be 30. Let's go. Go with 30. Is that too much? Oh my god, there's 2 songs playing. I keep forgetting. Does this count as dancing? Like, are we happy to say that's dancing? Come back, come on. Over there. Also, I just realised I'm not really down with the kids, I should say. I don't know if Chicken Dance is actually just a meme. Oh, 13 million views. Okay, maybe I've looked this up before. 2.1 billion views. Okay. 2.1 billion. Wait, that's a lot. I don't think I can listen to this on stream. I'm gonna mute the audio output and listen to this. Kinda works. You can't listen to this, but you're gonna have to take my word on it that that works. I should check if it's copyrighted. I'm pretty sure it's copyrighted. Okay. Like, it's obviously not the dance in the video, but I can't make the dance in the video with command blocks. Like, kind of works. I don't know. It's enough of a dance that I'm happy with it, okay? I think that's good enough. Like, it's no parrot dance. We'll say that much. Can you dance for me? Maybe don't say that actually. There we go. It kind of works, I guess. Maybe I modify the disc a bit to call it Chicken Dance. That might make sense. Where's Chicken Dance? Where's the... There it is. I believe I can just add custom name. I hope that's what it's called. Chicken Dance. That Chicken Dance song's gonna be stuck in my head now, isn't it? God damn it. You don't even get to hear it. Okay, it's not a custom name. It might be custom underscore name. So, what's custom names called? Let's go through this. Turn music back on. Custom name should be under data, I think. Not data version, just data. Okay, maybe it was not just data. This is a data may refer to file page. Data values, I guess, which may refer to Java Edition data file values. Entities show, for God's sake, just item of. Where's the thing I'm looking for? I just want data values. For God's sake. Item entity. Item entity. There it is. Data values. Entity data. Common to all items. Components. Where's custom name? God damn it. Custom name. For items I want though. Is my face cam too big? I feel like my face cam takes up like every important bit. Custom underscore name equals. Oh, it's a raw JSON thing. I hate that. Okay. Custom name. Song. Text equals what was it? It was chicken dance. Something's wrong. What's wrong? Expected key. I don't know what that means. Expected key. Oh, hang on. I probably just get rid of that bit. Get rid of this bit. Expected colon. What? Why are you expecting a colon? Oh, for God's sake. I think maybe this part goes in components. Comma paste. Get rid of that square bracket. Ah, never mind. So yeah, this is the kind of thing I can't ask ChatGPT for as well, because all this custom model data and component stuff is not, it doesn't know about that. So what I might do is just try and write a JSON thing for this. I don't really like JSON. Text equals that. No, okay. Text chicken dance. put a space there, I guess. But that's definitely not the problem. Custom name. It says custom name equals. Nothing else is equal, so I don't believe you. But and then I want an apostrophe here and an apostrophe here. Nope. Okay. What else do you want? Custom. Oh, custom underscore name is all lowercase. No, okay. I'm turning off daylight cycle, I swear to God. Daylight cycle. Do daylight cycle. False. Time set day. Okay. Chicken dance. Why isn't that working? Item components. Custom model data. Custom name. Lowercase. I'm gonna cut and paste all this over to inside the components bit, because it's probably in the components bit. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Let's turn this off. Go away, Pod Robinson. Give myself a chicken egg. Now, again, the definition of dancing here is very vague, but I think that counts. I think that counts, yeah. So, do I do the other one? Because that took a lot longer than I expected it to be honest. And also technically, like, I haven't added a custom song. I did. So do I make a custom song? Which I'm not a musician. But the whole point of the request was to add the song, not to make it dance like I've been doing the whole time. It also says chicken dance. Chicken stance, but I do have FL Studio on here. I've never really used it. Like, that's a lie. I have made a whole album before, but we don't talk about that. That was horrible, and it was 4 years ago. But the problem is, like, there are official chicken dance songs with 2.1 billion views, but if I play this, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Probably. And I'm guessing this... Oh, it's called Chicken Song, not Chicken Dance. I'm pretty sure this is what they're talking about, though. Like, with 2.1 billion views, I think this is what they're... Stop it! I think this is what they're talking about. So, do I add this song to Minecraft as well, just for a resource pack? Or do I just stick it with stall? I think we just stick to stall, to be honest. Um, what I might do is give it a custom song anyway. Like, just a value for if there is a custom song, it will use that. So someone else can come in and do it if they want to. I don't really know how to do that. I've done it once before, but I can't remember how. I think it should just be Did I close Minecraft? I just closed Minecraft. Whoops. Well, what's the other option? Like, I have 5 different options. I had 5 different ideas. That was the 4th one. Where is it? It's that one. That one. Not that one. There it is. So the other option is a 1/9 of a block of redstone, which it can be powered like normal redstone. You don't need to build up slabs or redstone torch. What? Okay. It can be powered by like normal redstone. You don't need to build up slabs or redstone torches or blocks in a weird shape to get the power up. You can just place them on top of each other and it will power anything. Just like a fence powers like a redstone. I think they just want vertical redstone. Like, I think what they're talking about is they just want to be able to redstone like this, and then 9th of a block of redstone, 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 and then like find another block like here, and then it goes across here like that. I'm not sure. I just realized I'm not playing music. I'm not sure if this is what they mean, because to be honest, it's kind of a boring pick by me. Because like, I think I just read the title and thought, yeah, that's funny. But I do have another option. Now, this other option is it was for if I couldn't find a way to make chicken stands. But like, again, this is a decent idea. They just voted the dumbest way possible. I dare you to add snakes and scorpions. The most venomous snakes and scorpions. I don't know why they think there's a W in scorpions. I think that's the whole reason I put this in. Like, that's kind of understandable, but the fact they spelt scorpions so terribly wrong twice in completely different ways. Shut up. Thank you. I'm not sure if you could hear that. There were birds outside. Like, if I do this, it will have to be its own stream. Because this is a big one if I add it. But the other option is this, which is just kind of very boring. hope you like it. If you did, please vote for it, because I really want it in the game. What, do you mean place on top of each other? Like a fence when you put it on top? I don't know what this means. How long have I been streaming for? 2 hours. And I have work tomorrow, so I reckon I'm gonna finish here. I'm not sure when I'll be live next. I might go live tomorrow, but I also need to get a short out for Friday, which means I could go live tomorrow, but then like Thursday and Friday I can't go live because I don't even have an idea for the short next, unless I do that chatter's idea of making Hoglins rideable. By like having a big story behind it nowadays. But other than that, I'll see you next time, next stream, whenever that's gonna be. Or next short, which will be on Friday. They're always on Friday. Or hell, maybe next long form video if I get this done somehow. I can't really do that without streaming next, but I'll see you later. Bye. I missed to stop streaming.